Good morning. So today is day number 1 where I'm going to meet my winner for my giveaway that I was having on my Instagram. I'm gonna meet with her and give her her gift, and then I'm gonna get an outfit to wear for my interview, which is upcoming. You will know more information about that, and then that's just about it for today, day number 1.
Greatness. DJ Natil.
Joe boy one day. I'm going to buffet. No my get so come on love back.
I make a video of you coming. She don't even recognize me. Done for the day. My day started since 7:30 this morning. I had a full day. It lasted until 6 o'clock this evening. I had some errands to run. I had to meet with my winner for my giveaway that I was having. Oh my god, it was so nice meeting her. We talked so much, and I'm very happy that I met her and then she enjoyed the gift that I gave her. I had a client makeup that I needed to do. Also, I went to Laronda's closet to get my outfit for my interview that's taking place tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you how I installed this unit. Yes, honey, I've been wearing my hair out from it for a week now and I'm done with it. So I'm gonna install this unit and you're gonna see how I install it. The unit is from the link I'm gonna post up there, also put in the description bar, and also how I curl this wig. There's an upcoming video of it. And just also a disclaimer, I'm not a hairstylist. I do hair to my taste. But still, if you want to leave your advice on how to do hair, because I'm learning a lot of videos and getting a lot of training being done for my hair and how to install it, leave your comment down below. Alright, so watch me install this bad boy up. So the makeup that I choose today is something like natural but bold in the lips. So I did my everyday makeup routine for that. Everyday full glam makeup routine. So foundation, highlight, contour. I set my eye. There's no eyeshadow at all in my eyes. Lashes. My brows is behaving. I don't know, but something about my brows, they're behaving very well today. I don't know. Don't get me wrong. Other days my brows, I don't know, but today they are like behaving. And then I just do bold lips, and that is the look. Thank you so much for watching Chanelly767. Hope that you enjoyed my vlog today. I finally finished my interview that I had with Parle, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for what's popping with Chanelly767. All the best.